reason why I chopped off her tail in the first place is so that birds, they tend to be in their cage and half their lives. They stay in one spot and do nothing with their lives, you know what I mean? So if you cut their tail, yes, they do get a little bit unbalanced, you know what I mean? They get a little bit unbalanced, but the thing is, when they get unbalanced, they're more active. So with that being said, when they're staying on the trees and when they're falling apart, they're gonna be falling down, moving around left and right. So when they're doing that, they're gonna exercise their knees so they can keep them productive, you guys. So that's the reason why I chopped off her tail. But now, until further notice, I am gonna let her tail grow and her wing grow. Stay tuned for her to be free flying around circles and coming back to the rightful owner. Guys, this is how I train my bird so far. So I'm gonna tell her how to get down. Get down, baby. Alright. Up. Up. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Baby, come here. Come here. Baby, come here. Come on, come on. Up. Good bird. Up. Good bird. Up. Ooh. Up. Come on. Let's see if she follows me. For those who say that she hates me, yes, she does follow me. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. And guys, see? For those who said that you do need treats to train your bird, I do not personally, I do not use treats. I give her like a little itch on the head, like. So yeah, so I believe that using treats will spoil them. So basically, I give it more of a challenge.